Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Prada sunglasses model SPR61U. The color of the frame is black. And these glasses are a pilot shape. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are gray and they're polarized. You'll also find the Prada logo engraved on its top left lens and that it's polarized. On its temple, you'll also find the Prada logo. On the inner right temple, you'll find the Prada logo, that it's made in Italy, that it's polarized, and the serial number. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 59 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Prada gift box, Prada case, black Prada cleaning cloth, and Prada manufacturer booklet. Manufacturer is Luxottica. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com, and have a joyful day.